Hey guys, good morning. Tony Pellegrini. I wanted to give you a little bit of suggestion in completing assignment number 1. As you look at that, let's get into our class, and let's get to, if we could, give me just a second, get into our grades, and let's get to our assignments. Almost there. Come on, now you can do it. So if we go into assignments, and if you'll go down the page into assignment number 1. Sorry it's taking so long. Just a cold day up here in Cedar. To our problem statement. So hopefully you're visiting with your principal. You'll click on this link. And I would take, if I were you, I'd take this assignment to your principal and say, can I have just 5 minutes with you? What I'm trying to do is work on a project addressing a problem at our school, and we're going to have to use research. That's the theme of the class. I'm going to have to use research to address that particular problem. So let's say your principal says, on the back of his desk, he's got a project on, he'd really like to know some more information about after-school tutoring. Is our after-school tutoring program really worth the money that we're investing in it? So you're going to answer these 6 questions. You're going to copy this Google Doc. You're going to create your own Google Doc, copy and paste it into your own Google Doc, and then you're going to add answers to these 6 questions in your Google Doc. Okay? Describe the problem within the context of the course. This is an after-school tutoring program, and I want to be able to use research tools that I'm going to be acquiring in class to be able to help me answer some of these questions for my principals and score some points and make a big friend with him or her. Then I'm going to answer number 2. Going to tell me information about myself. I work in this after-school tutoring program, and I know the kids that are in there. I have great connections with them. You're going to tell me a little about your campus, your district, your program, and the community that serves and supports your particular school in number 2. In number 3, you're going to talk about what stakeholders are affected by this problem. I'm affected by this problem because I teach in it. The other teachers are affected by this problem because they're getting kids that are getting extra help from their tutoring in this setting and situation. So you're going to identify those that are and again, how they're involved. 4, how directly or indirectly does this problem impact student achievement? It's a critical component. If kids are not doing well, they're forced to go into this after-school program, whatever it might be. But you give as much detail as you can with these. 5, what are the anticipated benefits of correcting this problem? If we can put more money in this, we're going to see higher test scores, or whatever it might be. What are some anticipated benefits that you're going to see from this? Any of these questions you can ask to the principal as well. Get some of his or her perspectives as well. And then finally, with number 6, describe how this problem is related to the content of the course. With after-school tutoring, I'm going to have to set up a little research study with some research questions to find out what is important in regards to after-school tutoring programs. Does that kind of help? I hope it does. Then when you've got it in your Google Doc, you upload that into assignment number 1. I'll give you some feedback on that. Does that help? Let me know, please. Just wanted to get it off on the right start with that, and hopefully that'll be what you need. Ciao.